This new Insta360 X4 camera uses opposing lenses to capture everything around you with crisp detail and include powerful software so you can make creative and fun videos. This new Insta360 X4, the company's latest 360-degree camera, is a significant step up from the outgoing X3. It shoots higher resolution videos and photos, captures higher frame rates across the board, runs longer per charge, and has a bigger screen with better software. This camera has some mighty impressive shoes to fill, and as a 360-degree camera is entering a space which is still very much emerging by boosting resolution and adding AI features including gesture control powered by a new 5nm processor. It's also worth nothing you can also use it in single lens mode with the X4 actively giving yourself two 4K 60fps cameras back to back. Of course, the real point of a 360-degree camera is to capture the entire world. Shoot fast, frame later is the mantra. Since you see everything from the camera's perspective, a selfie stick is a near essential accessory. Insta360 has several interesting offerings, one of which enables bullet time and all allowed for a kind of drone without a drone look. If you are capturing the whole world, another key aspect of 360-degree imaging is the ease of editing for fun as well as detail for more serious work, both of which we'll cover since Insta360 offers both a phone app and tools to integrate with on-computer apps. Insta360 X4 follows its predecessor, the X3, which launched in September 2022. It retains the candy bar dimensions and vertical touchscreen of its predecessor, with an ever so slight increase in heft. Also, I say vertical because that feels right to me, but the screen layout will adapt as you turn it. This design is a good one because you can use it in one hand naturally even without accessories, though there are dual mounting system for a selfie stick, screw thread and quick clip at the base. Held right-handed, the thumb has access to all four physical keys and the touch screen. To maintain the waterproof housing, there are recessed microphones on each side and sprung sliding locks on both a small door for the USB-C port and on the side of the battery. Slipping the battery out made easy by a spring opposite it also reveals the micro SD card to which the device records. While checking the drone shoot, it didn't feel to me like it would break in the wind, and with the camera, it was only 600 gram, and because of its size, it feels more lighter. This camera has also added gesture control, but I can see I'm a fan of it, but seems to be very trendy, so well, if you like them, they are there. There's another useful thing that is, it has ability to sync GEO and heart rate data from your phone or smart devices. The software can use this to create overlaid states graphics in your edits. Another noticeable thing is how much snappier the device is in use than the sometimes slightly laggy X3. I never minded waiting for two cameras to boot up simultaneously too much, but the pause always felt like a little too long. Now the camera is up and ready to shoot in less than 2 seconds. If you power up then take the cap off, it will be easy. Menus too seem to benefit from the smoothness of the improved processor. But the real issue is image quality. Of course, that is noticeably better than the X3 as we'll see in the samples. Obviously, if you add 78% more pixels, you will get better images in the 360-degree workflow. So we are looking for it in the review is whether that's actually working out. Mastering the menus takes a moment. It involves swiping from the sides for key functions and simply tapping on the things you want to change. You will be guided by an on-screen tutorial on boot up and battery performance will get very good. This camera have added more power to the camera capture to its processor. The thing is, of course, if you're like me, you will want to shoot at the higher resolution, so you'll still be limited to a theoretical 75 minutes. And it's not that bad. I found it's okay. There's enough power in the battery to comfortably document a nice day out using various features, browse them, and transfer some images by Wi Fi to my phone. In my test videos, I was certainly able to see sharper images and able to zoom in closer to events taking place. Putting some clips together with the Insta360 X4 out on a day with my family in changeable weather, it did reveal that the 8K prefers sunnier weather, and I was impressed how far it could crop into the video in 360 Studio to capture the action. I'd be more satisfied if the battery could last longer in full 8K mode, because I personally like to record in 8K all the time. That through draws more power and it can heat up, so there is some room for improvement. But this is definitely as good as you can get for money right now. The possibility for third person views and creative cunning are nearly endless, and at the price boldly comparable with the best action cameras, it's very hard to argue with.